In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Yahoo email account. Whether you're streamlining your digital life or transitioning to a different email provider, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth account termination process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Yahoo account termination page. This is where all requests for closure are initiated, so it's important to go directly to this page to start the process. Once there, you'll need to sign in using the Yahoo email and password associated with the account you're closing. It's always good to take a moment to ensure that you have access to any backup email or phone number linked to the account, just in case you need to retrieve your password or confirm your identity. As soon as you're logged in, you'll be greeted with information about the implications of closing your account. This is an essential step because it outlines what you need to know, like the fact that you'll lose access to all linked services and any data associated with your Yahoo account. Make sure you've backed up any emails, contacts, or important files you might need later. Understanding the consequences is key to avoiding any surprises down the line. If everything still sounds good, the next thing you might encounter is a prompt to confirm your identity. Yahoo sometimes requires additional verification to safeguard your account, ensuring that it's genuinely you requesting the termination and not someone else. This could involve receiving a confirmation code via text message or email. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete this step, as it's crucial to securing your account through this process. Now, once your identity is confirmed, you'll find a button labeled Terminate this account. This is the final step in confirming your decision to permanently close the account. Click on this button to complete the process, but take a moment to be sure, as this is your last chance to cancel the request. Once clicked, your Yahoo email account will be put on a schedule for closure. Keep in mind that Yahoo typically delays final deletion to allow for any changes of heart. During this period, your account is inaccessible, but there might be an opportunity to reopen it if you decide not to proceed. To wrap things up, closing an email account isn't something to be taken lightly. It's important to be thorough to prevent losing anything valuable. Before you begin, double check that all transitions are ready. Back up important data, notify contacts of the email change, and confirm that you've updated any accounts linked with Yahoo. By preparing everything beforehand, you'll ensure a seamless transition without headaches. And there you have it. Following these steps will successfully guide you through closing your Yahoo email account.